Hi, this is Jonathan Knutson from Synopsys Circ. We recently published a vulnerability disclosure about software vulnerability in smart light bulbs. And so today I'm showing a demo of how an attacker could exploit that. I have 3 light bulbs in this ceiling fan here, and in the next room over here I've got 8 of the smart light bulbs. And these light bulbs communicate using Zigbee wireless technology. The vulnerability we discovered is that we can send a malformed data packet over Zigbee, and the software in the light bulbs responds to it incorrectly and it causes them to blink. So I have a setup here where I can deliver that malformed radio packet. An attacker could just as easily do this with inexpensive hardware. They could be parked outside my house or in one of my neighbors' houses and launch this attack. We're just going to deliver this packet over and over again. The vulnerability is that the light bulb can't handle it and blinks. And so we're just going to blink it over and over again. And you can see it's quite disruptive. It's annoying. It's not necessarily dangerous. But if you think about other Internet of Things devices, you understand that a vulnerability like this could have serious consequences. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Jonathan Knutson from Synopsys Circ.